This is going to be a demonstration of the new pin calendar slider view. So slider view is basically a way of displaying your upcoming events on your calendar in a slider form. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate it. So we have our calendar here, and it currently has a list view, your calendar view, your list view of upcoming events, and the pin board style view. So the slider is a little bit different. So let me see. Okay, so the slider is this form. So what it is basically a full page slider which you can embed in a window on your website. So alright, so I'm going to show you how to add an event and display the event on the slider. So let's say we wanted to have a pizza party on the 21st of June. So we can just click on the date on the calendar, main calendar. This is going to bring up the add event page. So let's call this pizza party. Let's maybe repeat this every monthly on the 20th. Okay, let's add a photo for the and let's add a background photo for the event of a party. The background photo is going to be pulled from unsplash.com, which is a free stock photo website. Okay, so the background photo is going to be rotating. Basically, it will change. Right, so I think that's it. We'll have an event that repeats monthly on the 20th. And okay, let's add some details. Free pizza party. All are welcome. Bring a friend. Alright, so we're saving the event, and alright, so we have our event. By default, no photo is displayed on the calendar, so let's maybe go back and change that. So when we click on the event, here's our new pizza party, here's the description, and as you can see, what's going to happen is we're going to get a rotating background of a party. Okay, so let's add this. Let's edit this, and then photo. Let's have a thumbnail on the main calendar. So here's our pizza party event. Here are the details. Right. Let's see what it looks like on the slider. So here's our pizza party event. This is the slider view. And when we click on the event, we'll be taken to the event details. And there's another party related background photo. All right. So here we go again. So here's our pizza party event. Now I'm going to show you how to embed this slider on your website. So if you'd like to show the event slider, what you need to do is scroll down below the calendar, click on the embed button under slider. You'll see the code for the slider. So you want to copy and paste that. And we're going to copy it into any HTML page, or it could be a Wix page, so it doesn't really matter. So the way you want to do this is you want to copy the script portion into the head. That you don't have to, but it's better. So this is going to resize the frame. And what we have here is an iframe basically that's going to show the slider. And there's a couple of options here. You can this is the link to the slider. This is going to be different for your slider, for your calendar. This part is going to change. You can also change whether you want the slider to move forward automatically. So this one will move forward automatically every 6,000 milliseconds. Okay, it's about every 5 seconds or so. All right, we can also change the height and the width of the slider. We haven't set a full size right now. So here is our slider, and it's being embedded in our document. So it's basically, you can change, and here's our pizza party. All right, I'm just going to show you how to change the, notice that it moves forward automatically. You just wait around for it for a little bit. This is the end slide, but it will start up again. So here's the first slide. I don't have to click, it'll rotate by itself. Okay, so let's see if we can change the size here. So let's try 50% width and 50% 50 vertical height. And here's our smaller slider. Okay, and you can play around with size to whatever makes, whatever size you like. Let's try 600 pixels high, and width is 50%. Right, that's still a little bit. Let's try 700 pixels. All right, so I think at this point it's looking pretty good. And here's our pizza party. And here's the slider. Right, and I'll just go back and show you the code again. So this is the copy and pasted code. You can set the auto to false, and you can change the speed of the auto rotation if you'd like, or you can remove it altogether. So if you want, let's say, to turn this off, you just write it false. If you want to change the speed, you can change it. If you want it to go slower, let's say you would change it to 9,000. If you want to go to faster, you can change it to 4,000 milliseconds. Right? Thank you.